Agartala TIT Bobono, Tini Kaisa Data Center no Piogi Rezaka. Agartala Municipal Corporation ni Bakakte, Agartala Smart City, Slamnani Samung Batangni no Kaisa Bubak Obo, or Data Center, Data Stur Tongnai, Agartala ni Kabangma, CCTV, Tai Joto Record, Report, Bebagno, A Data or Tongmai, Abo Tongmani Bisingte, Police of Nikabangma Samungo, Chugnai. Tai sikok mangkhorok ni simi sengai kwbangma borok ni life safety security ni bagai abo belaikhe nangkukmani hini sai khnaraka Agartala Municipal Corporation ni Commissioner Shailesh Kumar Yadav tai tongkha chengiranai ngai phaimanja phaika Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha tai juda haba phangsong
ये आज यहाँ पे हमारे माननीय चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने आज डेटा सेंटर इनॉग्रेट किया। तो दिस इज डेटा सेंटर ऑफ द इंटीग्रेटेड कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ अगरतला स्मार्ट सिटी। Basically, it has got servers which are working 24/7 and equipments worth around 30 crore rupees which are installed inside. And this was earlier hosted in DIT data center, but DIT data center there were issues of some shifting and all, so we decided to have our own data center. All the elements, smart elements which are installed in the whole of city, all the CCTV cameras, all the traffic signals, all the LED display boards, all the weather information display boards which are there, other systems which are there, they are all connected with 156 kilometer optical fiber cable which is owned by Agartala Smart City. All that comes here. This is basically brain of the whole system. From here it runs 24/7. We have a provision of default provision of storage of all the data, like all CCTV footages, everything which happens all around the city for 30 days. If there is any incident, for example, if police wants some particular data to be stored for a longer time, for law and order or investigation for crime detection, it can be stored for whatever time they want. But default for 30 days it is stored. So we have got large amount of data storage capacity, which is 1 petabyte primary and 1.9 petabyte secondary. So this is one of the state-of-the-art data centers, and Agartala is now the only smart city in the country to have its own data center, apart from having its own optical fiber cable network. And this data center is now, it is scalable. Scalable means whatever systems will come in future, they will all be hosted here. अभी जितना कुछ बनेगा ई गवर्नेंस का म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के लिए या फिर अगरतला शहर के लिए, वो सब कुछ यहीं पे होस्ट किया जाएगा, यहीं से कंट्रोल किया जाएगा। तो ये अभी जो लगाया गया है, ये आगे आने वाले समय में बहुत सारा काम देगा, अभी जितना कर रहा है उसके बाद।